Hi everyone, I'm Laura Masters and I'm Head of Brand and Digital at Sanctuary. I'm sorry I can't be with you today. Sanctuary is one of the UK's largest housing associations, providing homes and care for more than 250,000 people across England and Scotland. We provide social housing, care homes, supported living and student accommodation alongside shared ownership and homes for sale. We rebranded last year, which identified the need to consolidate over 12 Drupal websites into 7. We started working with Cyberduck at the beginning of 2021 to help us on our new digital journey with a clear aim to deliver accessible websites with a key focus on user experience by the end of 2022. We've been using Drupal as our preferred CMS since migrating our sites over from a bespoke sector-specific CMS around 7 years ago. This gave us a flexible solution where each website had its own brand identity. We've also been working with Acquia as our hosting supplier using their cloud platform for this time. We've built our new website using Site Studio and this has made our job a lot easier. The visual elements for our different brands are all in one place, which means we can create content and easily select which brand and website that we're working on. We can also publish the same content on multiple sites with its own specific branding in one go. Another benefit of Site Studio is using the flexible pages and the suite of components that we have at our disposal. This has really reduced the need for us to be able to code ourselves. We can simply drag and drop the components that Cyberduck created for us to where we want them. So this makes our pages much more dynamic and interesting with minimal effort for the team. Since launching our core website in March this year, we've had some really positive feedback. As I mentioned, we focused on the user experience and accessibility of the website, so we're really pleased with the stats that we've seen so far. We did a lot of work with Cyberduck to create new web forms, making them easy for customers to use, collecting as much relevant information as possible and routing them to the right team. We've seen a reduction in calls into our contact centre on some topics thanks to these new forms. Customers have also commented on how fresh looking the site is and how it's much simpler and quicker to find the information that they want first time. We've also been awarded the Internet Crystal Mark by the Plain English campaign for delivering a clear, accessible and straightforward service to our customers. We've been working with Cyberduck now for just over a year and they really have become an extension of our team and we collaborate really well together. They've worked really closely with us to really understand our brand, the functionality that we need across the different sites and our technical challenges. Their work to build on the great capabilities of Site Studio has really helped us to streamline and transform our digital presence. We're looking forward to working with them to deliver our other websites by the end of the year. Thank you.